Storytime. Dr. Pepper can meet me in the fucking pit. So, I have all kinds of issues. More than the average bear. Not an average bear. This is a superb bear. Anyways, so it's a big deal this year that I can go outside and run errands and do things on my own because various physical and mental health issues have made that impossible for like 6 or 7 years. So I was super proud of myself because I had gotten up and I put on pants and I went to Quick Trip and I bought soda because we were out and both of us, me and Chris, are caffeine addicts, and if we don't have our soda, I went and bought soda and I felt super cool because since I've come back from San Francisco, I actually have muscles. You can't see them, but trust me, they're there. So I carried not one, not two, three. Yes, three. Three is the number. Boxes, 12-pack boxes, and I carried them and I bought them and I put them in the car and I drove them home and I was like, yeah, look at me, not only did I get up and do things, but I can carry stuff now because I'm physically strong, which I have not been for like 7 years either. So I was having a very good morning, feeling like I can do things. I can do the bare minimum things that neurotypical able-bodied people are able to do every day. I got my shit together. I'm just remembering that feeling. Because I came home and there was a can of Dr. Pepper, sealed, sitting on the table, and I was like, not only am I going to refill the fridge with soda, but you, this is not the can, you, little can, are going to be escorted to the fridge so that you may be chilled. I am such a responsible adult tiny can that I will even make sure that you are chilled along with the rest of the soda because that is how much I have my shit together today. I couldn't carry all three and the can because I'm not Wonder Woman. 2 boxes, can on top, chin on the can to make sure it doesn't fall off. I walked into the kitchen and then I was like, I'm gonna have to do something here to put the can in the thing, but I have to hold, but how? So I decided to kneel onto the ground and set the boxes, like, on the ground. And as I was kneeling, this fucker toppled over and exploded everywhere. This fucking bastard. So then my kitchen looked like this. Ugh. Ugh. Fuck me and my entire life. I didn't want it to get sticky. Because I have my shit together, I cleaned it with the world's shittiest paper towels. Sometimes don't buy the 50-cent paper towels. Splurge and go for the $1.50 paper towels. It matters, okay? Armed with paper towels and Clorox wipes, I made that kitchen my bitch. Actually, I think Dr. Pepper made that kitchen its bitch. I was just cleaning up. But the reason why I didn't just post pictures of this on Twitter is because I found something. So I guess my fridge is getting nice and clean today. I haven't actually cleaned this fridge since we moved in like 3 years ago. What's that? I've brought you into this with me today so you can bear witness. Oh. I don't know what that used to be. What did this used to be? A vegetable, I'm assuming, of some kind, and now it is literally like evaporated in the bag. What the fuck? Okay, that's going in the trash, obviously. Also, my feet were really cute. I was stepping on them to wipe the floor, and I have little tiny Dr. Pepper footprints. So that was my morning. How was your day? Even my camera is sticky? My camera, aka my phone, like. Do you want to see something cool though? Magic. Amazing, amazing. When I worked a boring office job, I just sat there.